Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Haley Pomeroy Group, and they're looking for an email marketing specialist. It pays from $45,000 to $55,000 per year. The Haley Pomeroy Group Incorporation, it's searching for an email marketing specialist for platform growth and content distribution. We're a company in the business of changing lives, and we need a new team member to help grow our community and facilitate the delivery of our offerings, events, and inspirations. The ideal candidate will have a background in the email/digital marketing of consumer products to ideally include experience in nutrition, exercise science, subscription, cultivation, and retention. This newly created position will primarily be based remotely. The HPG email marketing specialist will have the following qualities: a minimum of 4 years of email/digital marketing experience, core competencies including consumer marketing email execution, preferably with Klaviyo, platform experience including copywriting and audience segmenting, using data to drive e-commerce business, excellent copywriting skills, the ability to adhere to a well-defined style guide and establish a voice of a cherished brand, working knowledge of Facebook, Shopify, Google, and digital media asset management tools, the ability to jump in and add immediate value to a strong, dedicated, and fast-moving team, is detail-oriented with proficient organization, copy editing, and verbal communication skills, is comfortable working with defined deadlines, proactively seeks direction from others when necessary, and has the courage to ask for help and guidance when needed, is excited about the opportunity to learn and grow, has a whatever-it-takes tactical spirit with the ability to execute your marketing supervisor's vision. Your job description: using your knowledge of modern and traditional marketing best practices within the digital marketplace, the HPG email marketing specialist will help to grow the HPG revenue, increase organic traffic, increase customer base, and our paid membership community platform by employing best-in-class email marketing strategies. Works closely with the HPG team to employ email campaigns that help to drive engagement, open rates, and ultimately conversion. Build and maintain relevant email marketing/editorial calendars. Maintain the appropriate tone of our audience. Use research surveys and analytical tools to develop strategies to further grow the HPG community. Track and report to HPG team on all email analytics. Be proactive, not reactive, to changes in the digital media landscape. Stay educated on the industry. Read all of Haley's books: The Fast Metabolism Diet, Food RX, The Burn and Metabolism Revolution. Become an expert in HPG vision, mission, and product offerings. Multitask, prioritize, and manage time efficiently. Collaborate with HPG Digital Marketing Director and other team members on all tasks assigned. Follow communication procedures, guidelines, and HPG company policies. Reflect HPG company values in all communications. Some travel is required, quarterly in-person meetings. This job is full-time, pays $45,000 to $55,000 per year. Some of the benefits include 401k, employee discount, paid time off, and retirement plan. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, Monday through Friday, with some weekend availability. And the experience is 2 years of email marketing required. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.